how to enable voice chat on Roblox Mobile. This tutorial shows you how to verify your account to unlock voice features. First, open the Roblox app on your Android device. Next, tap on the three dots menu at the bottom right. Following that, tap on Settings, which looks like a gear icon. Now, scroll down and tap on Account Info. Moving forward, tap on Verify My Age or Account Verification. Afterwards, you'll need to upload a valid government-issued ID like a driver's license or passport. In addition to that, follow the on-screen instructions to take a photo of your ID. Once there, submit your verification request. Subsequently, wait a few days for Roblox to review and verify your account. Moreover, once verified, go back to Settings and you'll see a new voice chat option. Afterwards, toggle it on to enable voice chat in supported games. And that's it. If this voice chat guide helped you unlock the feature, give it a like, subscribe for more Roblox tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.